All right, number 11, we want to find the inverse of the following one-to-one function. Give the domain and range of f, and we're going to graph both f and f inverse on the same set of axes. So 11, I'm going to scoot up some more room. F of x is given negative 3 over x. So starting with this function, domain and range. So this graph, okay, a rational expression is usually in the first and third quadrants. Because of the negative, it's going to change orientation. So we're going to be really looking at a graph that is in the second and fourth quadrant. It's going to just flip that. So again, horizontal line, it only cross once, so it is 1 and 1. But we can see that 0 would not be in the domain. So if I start talking about domain of f, we cannot divide by 0. 0 is the only thing that will make the denominator 0. So my domain would be negative infinity to 0 union 0 to positive infinity. And you also can see as we go up, this graph curves and does not cross the line y equals 0. So our range is also going to be the same. That's not always the case, that the domain range, we don't have any shifts like a +1 or something that shifted it up or down. So in this case, our domain and range are the same, negative infinity to 0 union 0 to infinity. So that means that the domain and range of our inverse, even though we haven't done them yet, we'll just flip those and it will still be the same. So domain of f inverse and range of f inverse are going to be the same. Okay, because they are the same. So when you flip it, it still stays the same. Should be doing a U without a tail. Okay, let's find the inverse. So we're going to start with y equals negative 3 divided by x. Interchange x and y, so we have x equals negative 3 divided by y. We're going to solve for y. So y cannot be on the bottom. I have to multiply by y. So this is going to give me x times y equals negative 3. And then we're going to divide by x. So it looks the same when you mirror image, and that's pretty much what you get. The graph is already here, and when you reflect it across this line, you get the same exact graph. So this time, the actual function is the inverse. So this function is also the inverse of itself. So f inverse domain so what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this so I don't have to keep typing it. Control C to copy it and Control V to paste it. Domain and range are the same. And for the inverse, the domain and range are also the same. And you can see they're the same function as well. So that should make sense. Based on our sketch, we are looking for quadrant 2 and 4, which is C. And of course, if you want to check that, you can do that with a graphing calculator. Y equal, we get -3 divided by x, and if you graph that, you can see that shape right here in the first and second and fourth quadrant.